If you don't like waiting but still want cutting-edge tech, then Gemini AI is for you. Developed by Google, Gemini is a powerhouse AI language model. But how will you interact with it when it becomes widely available? First, you'll access Gemini through a web platform or app. Then provide a prompt, which is simply your request in text form. And voila, Gemini processes your prompt and generates a response. Imagine asking Gemini to write a poem about a lonely robot, or to translate "Hello, how are you?" into Spanish. Curious about quantum computing? Gemini can break it down in simple terms. Need a Python script to analyze sentiment in a text file? Gemini's got your back. For best results, be clear and specific with your prompts. You might need to refine your request a few times. And always use it ethically. Steer clear of harmful or misleading content. Get ready to explore endless possibilities with Gemini AI. The future of tech is here, and it's looking bright.